In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious mustard pork chop recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pork chops, half a cup of mustard, 4 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to place our pork chops in a Ziploc bag and use a kitchen hammer to flatten. We're going to season both sides of all of our pork chops with half the salt, half the garlic powder, and half of the pepper. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the mustard, flour, salt, garlic powder, pepper, and the sugar, and mix until no lumps are left. Once mixed, we're going to add in half of the oil and continue mixing. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in half of our oil. We're going to cook our pork chops in the pan on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes or until thoroughly cooked. Once thoroughly cooked, we're going to take our pork chops out into a glass bowl. We're going to use our remaining oil to coat our pan. We're going to coat the pork chops completely in the mustard mixture we made earlier and place them on the baking pan. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Our mustard pork chops are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.